Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. Wild Badgers sent me their newest gas weed whacker. Finding a gas weed whacker is getting to be kind of hard, actually. It's the WB265TR. I've got the older one here, and this is the WB268CI. It's been a good one. I use it mostly, I don't even have the end here for weed whacking anymore. I use this mostly to cut down trees. I've got the attachment, the chainsaw attachment, and so I'll cut branches back, keep them off my solar. It's held up fairly well. It's taken a bit of a beating, but it still starts and runs every time. I'm pretty happy with it. Changes, they're fairly minor. Some differences here. The tank has been reshaped a bit. It's got a reinforcement plate on the bottom. I do like that. Pull start still there, on off switch still there. I would say it's a little lighter. It's a little bit lighter, maybe a pound or two at most. And that may be that this one still has just a little bit of, nah, it's not the fuel. I do think this one's just a little bit lighter. Controls, as far as the controls here, they're identical. Throttle, you have a safety on the top, on off switch, throttle, safety, on off switch. I've got this one mounted a little different as far as the handle. I don't normally use these, but my wife does, so I leave it on for her. And then our guard down at the bottom. This is one of those ones where you hit the bottom of it and it feeds out extra line. And thankfully it did come preloaded with some line in there. So yeah, it's a nice little unit. Not a whole lot to show. I'll get the camera closer in just to show you the comparison between the two. Then I'll throw some gas in it. We'll hit some weeds that I've got here and see how well it does. Let's do it. All right, well, here we are from the tail end here. You can see the older unit has the Wild Badger emblem, and the newer unit just says Wild Badger on there. Exhaust is similar, a little bit reshaped. Carburetor appears very similar in design, although I'm not sure it's the exact same carburetor. Like I said, the biggest change is this one does not have a reinforcement plate on the bottom, so the tank could leak if you were using this commercial, and that may be why they redesigned it. You can see the plate, so when it sits on the ground, it's going to be there. Nicely start and run, and the pull start all well identified. Over on the side here, instructions are a little more in depth on this one, as opposed to that one, which just says pump 10 times. But the controls on these are nearly identical as far as the rest of it goes. And the shaft length is the same as well. All right, let me toss some gas in it, and we'll hit some weeds with this thing. Let's do it. There she goes. Not bad for the first time. Move it to run. And we're alive. Yeah, the extension works fine. So pretty much like every Wild Badger product I've looked at over the years, it works, and it works well. I'm really kind of surprised they're not a bigger player in the box store, arena. I've got an electric auger from them. I've got a gas auger from them. I've got a gas backpack blower from them. I've got an electric 40-volt blower from them. I have a 20-volt weed whacker, a 40-volt weed whacker, and my favorite tool from all of them is the chainsaw, the 40-volt chainsaw. I've cut down and cut up more trees than I can count at this point. They work well. They are, I would say, easily the equivalent of a Husqvarna, which is what we had before we started playing with these Wild Badgers. And I'm sold on it. I've done videos for them like this one where they've sent me a product to check out, but I've also done a lot for free because it's stuff that I literally buy. Well, you know how it is. If you buy a Ryobi tool set, well, you're kind of hooked on Ryobi batteries. Wild Badger sent me a couple of 40-volt items to test, and I have gone and extended that lineup and made videos on it over the years. That says a lot of how I actually feel about these products. I don't put videos out on stuff that I don't care about or don't think is a good product. I hope you'll take a look at them, and I'll see you next time. Take care.